I'm Jason Kelly and we're here on Fernbank Close in Halesowen, and I've got this absolutely busting 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, dining room, kitchen with kitchen island, great living room, utility area, family gardens, holy moly macaroni, and off-road parking for at least 4 cars. You're in a quiet location on a cul-de-sac. You know what I'm going to say, didn't you? Come on, let's go and have a look. Moly macaroni, I have fell in love with this 4-bedroom semi-detached family home in a quiet cul-de-sac location in Halesowen. This property is perfect for the growing family. You've got 4 good sized bedrooms, you've got 2 bathrooms, 1 on each floor, you've got a dining room, great sized living space. This kitchen island the size of Gibraltar, and then you're looking out onto the garden, those great family nights out. And you've even got off-road parking for at least 4 cars. What is there not to love about this family home in Halesowen? I hope you've enjoyed today's video here on Fernbank Close in Halesowen. If you'd like to know any more about this property, you can call me, Jason Kelly, 24/7 on the number below. I'm Jason Kelly, I'm here in beautiful Halesowen. Have yourself an absolutely busting day.